Hello everyone, myself Saurav Mandal, a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. And this is task number 1, prediction using supervised machine learning. In this task, we have to predict the percentage score of student based on the number of hours studied by the student. I have done this task in Jupyter Notebook. Now, let us first import all the necessary libraries required for the given task. Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, mean squared error, train-intercept, and linear regression. Now let us read the data from the given link, and here are first 10 entries of the given data. There are two columns, hours depicting the number of hours studied by the student and scores depicting his or her scores. Now, since the data is successfully imported, let us move on to data exploration. Here, using describe and info function, we can derive some preliminary intuitions from the data, like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, first quartile value, second quartile value, third quartile value, and the maximum. There are 25 entries, among which none of them is null. Hence, there is no missing value. And we are ready to dive into data visualization. Now here is a scatter plot between hours and scores, and from this we can say that there is a positive linear relationship between the number of hours studied by the student and the respective scores. Let us now prepare the data for our model building. First we split the data into train and test set, then we shall see the number of training and test data used for the analysis using the .ship command. Now we shall first check the base prediction and base RMSE value of the data. We now call the linear regression regressor and feed the training data in it. Next, we shall predict the outcome for the independent variables in the test data. Now we have successfully built our model. Now we will check the accuracy of our model. For that, we will check the RMSE of our model and the R-square value for both train and test data and plot the residual plot for this fit. As we can see that the RMSE value of the model is quite low and the R-square value for both the test and train data were close to 1. We can say that our model is doing good. Now we shall compare our predicted results with the original ones. We can see that they are also quite close. Now the task in hand is given that we have predicted the scores of a student who had studied for 9.25 hours. Now passing 9.25 through our model, we can see that the score of the student will be 90.99 or 91. Thank you.